Oh, what do we got right now? Seasoned rice, chicken stock, turmeric, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I think there's Italian seasoning in there too. What else are we eating this with today? Let's take a look. Is we got milkfish. This isn't just any plain old milkfish, but this is like pressure cooked milkfish that you can eat from head to tail. As you can see, I quartered it out into 4 pieces, right? There's also like a seasoning packet that comes with this. It's like a packaged type of fish that you can buy pretty much in like any of your local grocery stores that sell it. Next thing I have here is I got 1 diced onion. What I'm doing with this is I'm gonna make dabu dabu, which is like an Indonesian sauce kind of a thing that you can add to like your meals, whatever it is, if you're having chicken, beef, or fish. This isn't done yet. I still gotta put this together. Next thing I got is 1 egg. It's like it's just a tomato, right? Just a little tomato here, like a plum tomato, if you will. I'm gonna dice this up right now and just put this together with that. And I'm gonna toss it with some ABC sauce. Now let me show you what I mean. So what we got right here is, this is the Indo food brand. You can get like ABC brand, Bango brand, or any Knorr might even have it, you know, at like your local Asian grocery store, right? So what this is it's soy sauce, but it's a kind of soy sauce that has a consistency of, say, barbecue sauce, if you could imagine it. See, it's almost like a syrup. Let's see if this makes any sense. Alright, so as you can see, I've got 1 diced tomato and half of a red onion. And we got the fish. But what we got to do here is we got to put this together. One thing I got to do is chop up a little bit of a lime. So these are the little limes that I have. Cool, huh? They're like 1 to 2 inches in size. So I'm just going to go ahead and like wash these real quick, and then I'll just chop them up and probably just dunk them in there. You know what I mean? Chop this up. So now that we've got our little limes cut up into pieces, I'm going to go ahead and put these in this bowl of tomatoes and onions. And I'm going to add the sweet ketchup or the sweet soy sauce, and you'll see what's going on. Kind of feel like giving up on the squeezing with the lime thing. I might just dump the limes in here and just eat them the way they are. And I think I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little limes. Just gonna pop this cap right here, just drizzle it. So it's supposed to be like a sweet and tangy kind of flavor. I think that should be enough. Alright, and this is going to be paired with our milkfish that I have sitting right over there. What we got to do though is we got to mix this dabu dabu. Go ahead, mix it up. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go. Here we go. No chili peppers here, sorry. So this here is the sauce packet that this fish comes with in the package. It's like a Skills. Thank goodness we didn't spill. Alright, we're gonna go out. Squeeze this right on top. Like that. Boom. So this here's the sauce that it comes with. Like I said, I don't really think it's that spicy. That's our milkfish that it's all over. This is our dabu dabu that we just made, right? And this again is our yellow rice. We're gonna go ahead and plate the rice. Boom. Got our rice. Boom. We like rice here. We really like it. Scoop it up. Oh, oh, oh. That's it. All right. So one thing I like to do with my meals when I have them is I actually like to just mix everything. You know, I just like to mix everything. So we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a little sample of what a spoonful of this stuff will look like. You know, we got a little bit of the hot sauce, got a little bit of the vegetables that we cut up. Boom. So there you go, fish, and we got some rice, and we got some vegetables. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, smash that like button, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.